Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. A body farm is a colloquial term for a facility where human decomposition is studied for forensic science purposes. These facilities are officially known as forensic anthropology research centers or taphonomic research facilities. They are used primarily for research and training in the field of forensic anthropology, which involves the study of human remains to help solve crimes. Here are some key points about body farms. Purpose: body farms serve as outdoor laboratories where researchers can study the decomposition of human bodies under various environmental conditions. This research helps forensic scientists and law enforcement agencies better understand how human bodies decompose, which can be critical in solving crimes, identifying human remains, and determining time since death. Variety of studies. Research conducted at body farms includes the study of insect activity, the effects of different burial methods, the decomposition process in various climates, and the impact of scavengers on human remains. Donated bodies. The bodies used in these facilities are typically donated by individuals before their death or by their families after their death. This donation is voluntary and is crucial for advancing forensic science. The bodies are used with the utmost respect and ethical guidelines. Secrecy. The locations of body farms are usually kept confidential to protect the privacy and dignity of the donors and to ensure that the research environment is not disturbed by unauthorized individuals. Educational and training purposes. Body farms also serve as training grounds for forensic anthropologists, law enforcement personnel, and other professionals involved in death investigation. This hands-on experience is invaluable for those working in the field. Scientific advancements. The research conducted at body farms has led to significant advancements in forensic science, allowing investigators to better estimate time of death, understand post-mortem changes, and identify patterns of decomposition. This knowledge can be crucial in solving criminal cases. The most well-known body farm is the Anthropological Research Facility at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville, which was established in 1981 by Dr. William M. Bass. Since then, similar facilities have been established at other universities and research institutions around the world. It's important to note that the study of human decomposition at body farms is conducted with the highest ethical standards and respect for the donors and their families. The research conducted at these facilities plays a vital role in advancing forensic science and aiding in criminal investigations. Body farms are typically located in areas with a variety of climates and terrain, so that researchers can study how different factors, such as temperature, humidity, and insect activity, affect decomposition. Some body farms also have special facilities for studying decomposition in water or under burial conditions. To conduct research at a body farm, researchers will place human or animal remains in different outdoor locations and monitor them over time. They will collect data on the rate of decomposition, the types of insects that are attracted to the remains, and the changes in the appearance of the remains. Body farm research has a number of important applications in forensic science. For example, by knowing how decomposition rates vary under different conditions, forensic scientists can estimate the time of death of human remains more accurately. Body farm research can also help forensic scientists to identify the cause of death and to reconstruct crime scenes. In addition to their forensic applications, body farms also play an important role in public safety. By studying the decomposition process, researchers can develop new methods for locating and recovering human remains. This information can be used by law enforcement agencies to search for missing persons and to investigate crimes. Here are some examples of the types of research that are conducted at body farms. Studying the effects of different environmental conditions on decomposition rates. Identifying the types of insects that are attracted to human remains at different stages of decomposition. Developing new methods for estimating the time of death of human remains. Reconstructing crime scenes based on the patterns of decomposition. developing new methods for locating and recovering human remains. Body farm research is an essential part of forensic science and helps to make our communities safer.